What is up, guys? Welcome back to Switch Life Garage, and the garage looking as messy as always, but I have one more update video for y'all before I start getting into some work. Now the work that's coming up, it probably be a little bit random work because I got things I need to do here and there, so it's not just one project really. Well, I do have one project, but the videos I'm thinking of are a little random just for me, but I'm going to try to go ahead and make it work, and hopefully y'all enjoy the content. Now the last update video since I have been gone is the update of my BB6 Prelude, my 01 Prelude. Now I am driving this one because I did crash the Del Sol. If you guys haven't seen that, go ahead and check that video out. But like I said, I have been driving this Prelude for a while now, and I've done let me see, like one modification to it, which is window tint, and a couple other things gone wrong with it, but I'll talk to y'all about that right now. Alright, so here's the Prelude. If you guys haven't seen it, here it is. A little bit dirty. It is pretty cloudy today. It's a little bit rainy today also, a little cold. Let me go ahead and talk about the window tint. Now I got the window tint done at my job. Now I talked to the tint guy at work, and then I asked him about how much it'll be for ceramic tint. I always wanted ceramic tint. If you guys don't know, ceramic tint is pretty expensive. I've been told about $800 to do my car. Now what it does, it blocks out the UV rays from the sun, so it stays cool in your car. It doesn't block it out 100%, but it blocks it out more than regular tint would, more than regular polyester tint would. Now what I got done is the windshield. On the windshield we got 90% tint. It has a slight blue color to it, you guys could probably tell. And so yeah, it's legal in my state here in Texas. And so I got that done. The whole windshield looks pretty nice. And also on the front windows, on the driver and the passenger, it got 30% tint on it, again with the ceramic. And this is as dark as you're gonna go here in Texas. That's the legal limit. It is well, like I said, it is pretty dark out here, but you can still see through it. It's not too bad. You can see the dash, the steering wheel, but it still gives it a nice little privacy. Along with the wind visors, also gives it that extra privacy. Now I didn't do any tint on the top of the sunroof. The tint guy even told me he doesn't want to mess with it because he can't reach all the way in the back. Now if I took off the glass, he would have done it, but you know, from factory it's already smoked, and so it already looks like it has like 5% tint on it as is. Now on the rear half, talking about these rear quarter windows, and then on the back glass, went ahead and did, let me see, it is 15% tint on it, again with the ceramic. Can't really see through it. You can, but let me see, not as much as the front, as you could tell right there. Once the sun starts to set, you can't even see through it. Still kind of see through, but it gives it real nice privacy. It's not too dark. It doesn't look ghetto like a slab, you know. I wanted people to still see inside because I like my interior of the car, and if I was to ever put the car in shows or anything like that, it wouldn't be too dark. And also just like super dark tint just seems like, I don't know, to me it's just not for an import car or for this type of car. Maybe on a different car, you know, 5% tint would look good on it, but to me it just looks ghetto. So to me this is just perfect. It's the look I'm going for. Real nice. And it does keep it real cool. And if you guys ever noticed when you're driving, sometimes your arm burns from the sun coming in through the windshield, and now I don't have that problem anymore. And also when I step into my car after getting off of work or something, it's not that hot in there at all. Go ahead, take a look inside. You can kind of see that slight blue tint on the windshield. It doesn't seem as dark in here, obviously, but got the 30%, and then got the 15% in the back. And the car isn't too bad. I do have the sunroof open right now. Well, the slide open. Go ahead and close it. So it's a little bit darker in here. Hopefully you guys could get the feel of it. It does look a little bit lighter on camera for some reason, but not much. But you guys can see. Looks real nice. One of the best modifications I've done to this car. Really, a lot of people compliment it. And before, my tint was just ugly, started bubbling, and it was just real nasty. But I'm glad I got this done. Now for the problems that I'm having with the car. Now my tire tread is getting a little low, but I'm not really worried about that. Now my power steering started making like a whining noise, and so I took off the belt of the power steering, and so I'm running without it just so I don't have that noise. To me it's just kind of embarrassing, and yeah, to me it's really not a problem to drive without power steering. But I am going to fix it. And the other thing is my AC compressor is locking up. If I try to turn on the AC compressor, it locks up and the belt is just starting to spin. And eventually if I just let it spin like that, the belt is just going to bust. There goes my alternator belt along with the AC. So I'm not running any AC right now. It has been a little cool out here, so I'm not really having a problem with it. I could ride windows down. Not really a problem. Now, if you guys live in Texas, you guys know it could range, especially right now, it could range from like 30 degrees and the next day will be like 70 degrees, 80 degrees. So I am going to be fixing this problem real soon. Alright guys, now that's going to be it for the Prelude as the update. The Prelude's still running great. If you guys haven't seen the other videos of the Prelude, go ahead and check those out. My #1 cylinder does lose a little compression. It does lose a little bit of oil about every 3 weeks. You know, I'm having to refill it back to the top level, but overall it's running great and it's real dependable. But like I said, the power steering, which ain't a really big problem, but the AC is a big problem, especially here in Texas. So I am going to have to go ahead and fix that. And let me see what else. I think that's really it. It's really a great car. No other problems I'm having with it. I am real reliable and I love driving it, really. Like I said guys, this is going to be the last update video. So my next video I'm going to be doing some work. I have the video in mind, don't want to say it yet, but for you 4th gen guys, I am having a video for y'all. And it's not going to be on my 4th gen, but you guys will see. So go ahead and set those notifications, set your bell, so next week when I have that video out, you guys can go ahead and watch it as soon as you can. Alright guys, this is going to be it for the update video. I hope to catch you on the next one. Alright.